What's the meaning of arms race? Arms race. Arms race.
Arms race. Arms race. The term arms race refers to a competition between countries to gain military superiority. This typically involves an increase in the production and deployment of weapons, including nuclear weapons. The result of an arms race can be costly for all involved parties, as it can drain resources and lead to a heightened risk of conflict. Additionally, the pursuit of military dominance can also lead to a lack of trust among nations, ultimately decreasing the likelihood of peaceful resolutions and increasing the risk of war.